Are you currently starting a business or do you own a business? Well, one of the most important decisions that you can make is how your company is structured. Did you know the way your company is structured determines how much you pay in taxes? Now, I see there's a lot of conversations online about, oh, should I have an LLC or should I have an S-Corp or should I have a C-Corp, right? We keep speaking about those only 3 types of structures, but did you know that there's actually 7? So look, these are the different structures of an entity that you can use to now structure your business, and depending on how you structure your business, that determines what you will pay on taxes. Depending on where you are revenue wise, that actually ties into it. So let me just actually walk you through the different structures. So the first structure you can have is when you're an individual, you can set up your company as a sole proprietor. So when you're a sole proprietor, you have 100% liability. So there's no such thing as someone sue your company and you won't have the personal assets won't be on the line. It 100% will be. So after a sole proprietor, the next type of structure you have on the list is a corporation. Now, when you hear the term corporation, a good structure that you can think about that you can keep in mind. Let's say you have a company, you're looking to grow your company, and you're at the point where, you know what, I want to take my company public. I want to start selling shares of my company so I can start raising money. You can't do that with any of these other structures. The best structure for that is a corporation, which would be a C-Corp. Now, when you're a C-Corp, there's a thing called double taxation. I'll show you that in another video. You'll actually have to pay taxes on what the company makes, and then you'll also have to pay taxes on what you pay yourself. That's what we mean by double taxation. It's no pass-through. Now, the next on the list would be a S-Corp. Now, S-Corp is usually for companies who do about like 40,000 up until like 150,000. Once you're in that income range, you will actually save over the LLC I'm going to show you. You actually save 15.3% on taxes because you won't pay self-employment tax. Now, when it comes to partnerships is another structure that you could use, and it all depends on the scenario or the situation. When, let's say, if you have an investment opportunity and you want to create a partnership, right? There's 3 types of partnerships that you can keep in mind. The first thing, when you have a partnership, someone can be known as a GP, which stands for a general partner. Then the second thing that could be a LP, right? So when it comes to partnerships, you can have a GP, which is a general partner on a transaction, or you can have an LP machine. They have limited power. They may just put up some money, but the general partner takes over everything, right? And then the third structure on a partnership will be, you probably saw this one before, a LLP, which stands for a limited liability partnership. So that covers partnerships. So cool. We got the 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the first 4 down. Now let's go ahead and jump to the next one. So we all saw this before. So this is a LLC. 9 times out of 10, when people create a company, they'll create this company thinking this is the best structure for their business. Well, actuality is not. So LLC is for people who file IRS form. So if they file IRS form Schedule C, that's for LLC. But mind you, this only works if 39K, right? So if your business is doing in between $0 to 39K, then this is the best structure for you. Now, aside from an LLC, there's also something called a single member LLC when you're operating that limited liability company just for yourself as an individual. And then the very last structure that there are trusts and estates. But the best way to know what structure to use is by getting with a seasoned professional. So if you want more information or know what's the right structure for you, how to mitigate and avoid taxes, how to leverage tax deductions, credits, loopholes, and laws, just go ahead and comment below this video. Let's go, and I'm gonna show you the way to go.